Hello students, in today's video we'll see exercise 7.4 questions 18 to 21.
Question number 18, integrate 5x minus 2 by 3x square plus 2x plus 1. Whenever you have to integrate the rational expression, if this f of x differentiation is there in the numerator, then you can use the substitution method and the integral of this will be log of the denominator. First thing is that check whether you have the differentiation in the numerator. Now type 2 is again the same thing. You have a root of f of x. So the derivative f of x is, if it is there in the numerator, you can write the answer 2 times the denominator. That is again substitution method you can use. Use substitution method, you get the answer 2 times root of f of x. Now the third type is when you don't have the differentiation, but you have a linear polynomial in the numerator and a quadratic in the denominator. If it is like this, linear in the numerator and quadratic in the denominator, so quadratic differentiation will be a linear function, isn't it? When you differentiate a quadratic, whenever you differentiate 3x square plus 5x, it will be a linear function. So whenever you have like this, when the differentiation is not there, but you have a linear function like this, then you have to find that constant. Some constant will be missing. You have to multiply or divide or add or something like that, and then you have to find that constant. So the method that you're going to use is, you're going to write, this is like that actually. See, listen, when you differentiate 3x square, you have 6x, isn't it? But you have only 5x. So the constant is different. 2x, the differentiation is plus 2, but you have minus 2. So these type of sums, when the differentiation is not there, then you have to write, the method is, write the numerator, that is 5x minus 2 as a times the differentiation of the denominator, differentiate the denominator, plus b. That will get you the constant that we have to multiply and divide. So when you do that here, 5x minus 2 is equal to a times 6x, differentiated 6x plus 2 plus b. Okay, this is for both, this is linear and quadratic. The fourth type is linear with the square root of a quadratic, also the same method. Okay, so now we have to find the constant a and b. So 5x, how do you find the constant? Equate the x terms on both the sides. So you get 5 is equal to 6a. So a is 5 by 6. Equate the constant term. Minus 2 is equal to 2a plus b. Substitute for a. So minus 2 is equal to 2 into 5 by 6 plus b. So b is equal to minus 2 minus 5 by 3. That is equal to minus 11 by 3. So now you write 5x minus 2 as a into, what is a? 5 by 6 into 6x plus 2 plus b. B is minus 11 by 3. So the integral will now change to, the question is actually 5x minus 2 by 3x square plus 2x plus 1 dx is equal to, this you are going to rewrite this as 5 by 6, 6x plus 2 integral divided by 3x square plus 2x plus 1 minus, so this is written as 5 by 6, 6x plus 2 minus 11 by 3 integration of dx by 3x square plus 2x plus 1. So we have written this now as sum of two terms. This is integral 1, I1 plus I2. So I1 is, so 5 by 6 integrate 6x plus 2 by 3x square plus 2x plus 1 dx. Now you know that the differentiation of this is there in the numerator. So we can write straight away the answer as log 3x square plus, so you can write it as 5 by 6. Whenever you have the differentiation in the numerator, you can write the answer log of the denominator. Okay, this is I1. Now I2 is integral 11 by 3 minus 11 by 3 dx by, so you have to make it a perfect square. The condition is the coefficient of x square should be 1. It is 3 here. So you have to make it as 1. So take out 3 outside. So this will become 3 into x square plus 2 by 3x plus 1 by 3. So that is minus 11 by 9 integral dx by x square plus 2 by 3x. You have to add and subtract a constant. So that is what is a constant? Take the coefficient of x, it is 2 by 3, divide by 2. So it will become 1 by 3. Okay, divide by 2, 1 by 3, square it. So 1 by 3 the whole square minus 1 by 3 the whole square. Add and subtract the constant plus 1 by 3. That is equal to minus 11 by 9 integral dx by, these 3 will become a perfect square, that is x plus 1 by 3 the whole square minus 1 by 9 plus 1 by 3 root 2 by 3 the whole square. It is 2 by 9. So we can write as root 2 by 3 the whole square. So this is the form tan inverse 1 by x square plus a square. The integral of 1 by x square plus a square is 1 by a tan inverse x by a. So it is equal to minus 11 by 9. A is root 2 by 3. That is, reciprocal of root 2 by 3 is 3 by root 2 tan inverse x by a. X is x plus 1 by 3 by root 2 by 3. So that is equal to minus 11 by 3 root 2 tan inverse 3x plus 1 by root 2. So the final answer I is I1 plus I2. So I1 we got it as 5 by 6 log 5 by 6 log modulus of 3x square plus 2x plus 1 minus 11 by 3 root 2 tan inverse 3x plus 1 by root 2 plus c. 6x plus 7 by root of x minus 5 into x minus 4 dx. A linear polynomial in the numerator, and within the root you have a quadratic polynomial. So again the same method, you can write this as integral 6x plus 7 by root of, multiply this. So x square minus 9x plus 20. So once again check whether the differentiation is there or not. X square differentiation is 2x. You have 6x here. And minus 9x in the place of minus 9 you have 7. So to find the constant, what should be added and subtracted? To find the constant, use the same method. Put 6x plus 7 as a into the differentiation of the denominator, d by dx of x square minus 9x plus 20 plus b. So that is equal to 6x plus 7 a. This is 2x minus 9 plus b. So equate the x terms. 6 is equal to 2a. So a is 3. Equate the constant. 7 is equal to minus 9a plus b. So 7 is minus 27 plus b. So b is 34. So the integral 6x plus 7 by root of x square minus 9x plus 20. You can write it as a is 3. 3 into 2x minus 9 plus b. b is 34 by root of x square minus 9x plus 20 dx. So we can split this as two integrals now. So 3 into integral 2x minus 9 by root of x square minus 9x plus 20 dx plus 34 into integral dx by root of x square minus 9x plus 20. So we'll write this as integral 1 and 2. So integral 1 is 3 into 2x minus 9 by root of x square minus 9x plus 20 into dx. So this we can use a substitution method, put denominator as t and then do it, or if you know the formula, you can write the formula straight away. That is 3 into, I am using this formula here, f dash of x by root of f of x will be equal to 2 times root of f of x, 2 times the denominator. So already 3 is there, 2 times the denominator, x square minus 9x plus 20. That is equal to 6 into root of x square minus 9x plus 20. Now we have to find I2. 34 into dx by root of x square minus 9x plus 20. That is equal to 34 dx by, you have to write this as sum of two squares. For that you have to add and subtract a constant, 9 by 2 the whole square minus 9 by 2 the whole square plus 20. So that is equal to x minus 9 by 2 the whole square, 81 plus 80. So we give you minus 1 by 2. Okay. So it is equal to 34 into, you know the formula, x square minus a square. Root of x square minus a square is log x plus root of x minus 9 by 2 the whole square minus 1 by 2 the whole square. So that is equal to 34 log modulus of x minus 9 by 2 plus, here when you simplify you get the question only, because here from here only we got this. So you'll get back, when you expand it you get back the same thing, x square minus 9x plus 20. So the final answer is I is equal to I1 plus I2. Okay, the next question is x plus 2 by root of 4x minus x square. So differentiate. X plus 2 is a into the differentiation of the denominator plus b. So x plus 2 is a into 4x is 4 minus 2x plus b. Equate the coefficients of x, 1 here minus 2a. So a is minus 1 by 2. And equate the constants. 2 is 4a plus b. So 2 is 4 into minus half plus b. So b is 4. Okay, a is minus half and b is 4. X plus 2 by root of 4x minus x square dx can be written as a is minus half into 4 minus 2x plus b is 4 by root of 4x minus x square dx. So this numerator is written like this. So when you simplify this, you will get. So this is I is equal to, the first integral is integral 4 minus 2x by root of 4x minus x square dx plus 4 into dx by root of 4x minus x square. So I is equal to I1 plus I2. So let us again do straight away here. I am just writing it separately. So I1 is minus half, and you know that the differentiation of the denominator within the root is there in the numerator. So the answer integral will be, the integration of this will be 2 times the denominator. So I1 is minus root of 4x minus x square. Now let us find I2. I2 is integral dx by root of 4x minus x square. That is integral dx by root of, minus you take it out. Okay, so it become x square minus 4x. So we have to now add and subtract. So divide by 2 and then square it. So it will become plus 4 minus 4. So it is equal to integral dx by root of minus, this is x minus 2 the whole square minus 2 square. That is equal to integral dx by root of, put the minus sign in, this will become plus. So 2 square will become plus, and you have minus x minus 2 the whole square. So this is the form dx by root of the constant first, a square minus x square. That is nothing but sine inverse x by a. So this is sine inverse x is x minus 2 by 2. I2, there is one 4 here, remember that, okay. So for final answer is I is I1 plus I2. I1 is minus root of 4x minus x square. I2 is, so plus 4 into sine inverse x minus 2 by 2 plus c. 21 x plus 2 by root of x square plus 2x plus 3. X square differentiation is 2x is not there, 2 is there. So some constant is missing. So let us write x plus 2 as a into differentiation of the denominator is 2x plus 2 plus b, a into this. Equate the coefficients. So 2a is 1. So a is 1 by 2. 2a plus, equate the constants. So 2a plus b is 2. So 2 into half. A is half plus b is 2. So b is 1. So a is half and b is 1. So this integral will now change it to integral a is half 2x plus 2 by root of x square plus 2x plus 3 plus b is 1. So 1 by root of x square plus 2x plus 3. So this is half into, you have the differentiation now. X square is 2x is 2x, 2x is 2. So the integral of this will be 2 times the denominator, plus this is 1 by root of x square plus 2x. So add 1, divide by 2. So 1 minus 1 plus 3. So it is equal to integral dx by root of x plus 1 the whole square plus 2, you can write it as root 2 the whole square. That is nothing but log x plus 1 plus root of x plus 1 the whole square plus root 2 square. So the final answer is root of x square plus 2x plus 3 plus log x plus 1 plus root of this x square plus 2x plus 3. Plus C.